Good morning, student. Today I am going to start the topic image formation by a concave mirror. And student, I have already draw the image when the object is placed at infinity, when the object is placed beyond center of curvature, and when the object is placed at the center of curvature. In this position, I have already draw the image formation by a concave mirror. Now next position of the object, that is when object is placed between center of curvature and focus. C means what? Center of curvature and focus of a concave mirror. So next position of the object is placed in between center of curvature and focus of a concave mirror. And student, this is the diagram, this is the concave mirror, you know that, and this is the pole of a spherical mirror. Clear? You know that this is the pole of concave mirror, and this is the position of, that is what, focus, and this is the position of what, center of curvature. And object is placed between C and F. Object is placed between C and F. Here A, B, that is what? Here A and B, that is what? Object position. Here AB is the object's size, and this object is placed in between center of curvature and focus of a concave mirror. And we use the property of image formation. First, if a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, see the diagram carefully. Using same property, if the ray of light, this ray of light parallel to the principal axis, and you know that if a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes from what? Focus of a concave mirror. Clear? And second, student, if ray of light passes from focus, you know that if ray of light passes from focus, after reflection it becomes what? Parallel. After reflection, the reflected light becomes what? Parallel. First ray, that is if ray of light parallel to the principal axis after reflection through a concave mirror, this reflected ray passes from focus of a concave mirror. Another ray which is passes from focus and strike the concave mirror, because this ray is coming from focus of a concave mirror, and we know that if a ray of light coming from focus and after reflection through a concave mirror, this reflected ray becomes parallel. So this is the reflected ray, and this is also a reflected ray. And student, and again, if ray of light is what? Goes towards CP, that is what? Normal. And normally if ray of light falls on the concave mirror, it will reflect it into the same path. So student, these two reflected light are actually intersecting after reflection. So there will be what? Image form, and this is the top portion of the image. So that is what? Object A and its image, that is what? A dash, and this is the B point, B dash. So this is the image size and this is the object type, and size of the image, that is what? Larger than the object. Actual intersecting of two light ray after reflection. So real and inverted image is formed. Where image is formed? Beyond center of curvature. So when object is placed between C and F, image form beyond C, real and inverted, and its size is what? Larger than object. So image formed, that is first real and inverted. You know that real and inverted. Second property, real and inverted, beyond C. Image is formed beyond C means what? Center of curvature. And size of the image, that is what? Size of the image is what? Larger than the size of the object. Larger than the size of the object. Size of the object. So this is the image form when the object is placed in between C and F. That is what? Real and inverted. Beyond C. And size of the image, that is what? Larger than the size of the object. Next position. Now this position is shifts to here. It means object is placed at focus. So when the object is placed at focus of a concave mirror, focus F for a concave mirror, and student, same process repeated, only position of the object is what? Change. So this is the pole. This is the pole of a concave mirror. This is principal axis. This is focus. Focus of a concave mirror. And this will be what? Center of curvature. An object is placed when object is placed at focus. So object is placed at focus, student. So this is the object A and B. That is object A and B. This is the object AB. If ray applied, use the property of image formation. If ray applied parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes from what? Focus. And student, C, if we join C to any point on the spherical mirror, which is normal, and we know that if a ray applied passes from center of curvature, and when this ray applied strike the concave mirror, this is the normal. If ray applied coming from center of curvature, and when it strike the concave mirror, and this is the normal. Normal means what? If ray applied falls normally, so it will reflected back to the same path. So here C, if you join C to any point on the concave mirror, which is normal. So if ray applied falls normally on the concave mirror, it will retrace the same path. It means reflected light passes, reflected light retraces same path. So this reflected light, that is what? Which is in this way. So if ray applied strike the concave mirror, which is coming from center of curvature, which is normal. So reflected light, this is the incident light, and this is what? Reflected light retraces in the same path. So where image is formed? First ray, if ray applied parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes from focus. It passes from focus. Another ray applied which is passes from center of curvature, and these reflected light are parallel to each other. It means they will intersect. Imagine this, they will intersect at infinity. It means these reflected light meet at infinity. Infinity. Or we can say that in symbol we use, that is what? Infinity. So when the object is placed at focus of a concave mirror, image form, that is what? At infinity, because these two reflected light are parallel to each other, and it meet at a infinity, and size, that is what? Highly magnifies. and real and inverted. So that is what image formed in this case. Image, nature of image formed in this case, first real and inverted, because these two reflected light are meeting at infinity. So real and inverted image is formed at infinity, that is what symbol infinity, and highly magnified, size of the object, size of the image, that is what highly magnified. So when the object is placed at focus of a concave mirror, image form at infinity, real and inverted, and size of the image, that is highly magnified. Next one is when the object is placed in between P and F in this case. So when object is placed in between pole and focus, pole P and focus F. So same concave mirror, and this is the last image formation by a concave mirror when the object is placed in between pole and focus. So this is the principal axis, you know that. This is what focus, you know that. This is focus point of a concave mirror, and this is radius of curvature C. And student, object is placed where? Object is placed, that is, this is the object AB, and we use the same rule if ray of light parallel to the principal axis. See, ray of light parallel to the principal axis. After reflection through a concave mirror, this ray of light passes from what? Focus of a concave mirror. And student, another ray of light which strike the pole, and this is angle of incidence, you know that, and this is CP, that is normal, so it obey the law of reflection. So student, this ray and this is angle of reflection, so this angle same, and CP, that is what? Normal. So this is first, if a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, it passes from focus of a concave mirror. Another ray of light passes from if a ray of light strike the pole of a concave mirror and it is reflected by, and these two reflected light are not actually intersecting if we extend this ray of light in the forward direction. Now student, these reflected light are extended in the backward direction. These reflected light are extended in the backward direction, student. So we see that these extended if the reflected light are extended in the backward direction, and these extended light are appears to meet, seems to be meeting, that is and this is image size A dash B dash. So only one case this image is said to be what? Virtual image. And virtual image is formed when two rays of light are extended in the backward direction appears to meet at any point. So there will be what? This is the image formed by concave mirror when the object is placed in between pole and focus. So if the object is placed in between pole and focus, if a ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes from focus, another ray of light passes from focus, it obeys the law of reflection. These two reflected light are not actually intersecting. These reflected light are extended in the backward direction, and these two reflected light extended in the backward direction are appears to meet, seems to be meeting at point A dash. And student, here also see, that is what? This will be also not meeting, so this light is also, so bottom of the image, that is what? B dash, and top of the image, that is what? A dash. So here image is formed when two reflected light are extended in the backward direction, they appears to meet, so there will be a virtual image is formed. So image formed in this case, nature of image form in this case, first virtual and erect. Virtual image, that is said to be what? Erect. Virtual and erect. Virtual and erect, where is formed? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. Size, that is what? Larger than the size of the object. Larger than the object. So when object is placed in between pole and focus of a concave mirror, only one case in concave mirror, virtual image is formed, and this virtual image is formed when object is placed in between pole and focus of a concave mirror. And when object is placed in between pole and focus of a concave mirror, virtual image is formed, and this image is said to be what? Virtual and erect, behind the mirror, and size of the image which is larger than the object. This is the complete ray diagram for image formation by a concave mirror when the object is placed at different position in front of a concave mirror. Thank you.